Hey guys, just wanted to give you a little update. Got some new wheels on the truck. Want to know what you think. A lot of people like them, but I think more people don't like them. They are Detroit steel wheels, the D-Town smoothies. They are 20 by 9s, and then they have the baby moons. The tires are 255 50 20s. They are powder coated. It's like an antique white, off-white. And also I put a patina sauce finish on the truck that kind of cleared it. Water beads up and rolls off now, and it kind of brightened the colors up just to protect the natural finish. Let me know what you think. The other option was black, or you could have just got them raw metal. Some people think they need to be more patina to match the truck, so I could do something to change them. I'll put a picture of what it looked like before with the other rims. The other rims were just a stock 17-inch rim. It was kind of rusted black, matched the truck a little bit more. And then I'm going to give you an update on the Willys wagon. I ended up selling that rather than building it. But I did just pick up a donor truck for the Dodge Dually, and I'll show you what both of those look like. Here's the new donor truck. It's a 2003 Chevy Silverado 1500 half-ton. It is two-wheel drive, and it's got the 4.8 V8. I think 130,000 miles. Runs and drives great. It's just body's a little beat up. So this will be a body swap. Here's that 1953 Dodge Dually. I'm thinking about putting this body on that 2003 Chevy chassis. I think the wheelbase is the same or close. And then maybe switching the axle to keep it a dually, or put in a big like super single rear wheel. And then with the 4.8, possibly putting a turbo on that. Or if I have any issues with that engine, I also have a 4BT Cummins that I could switch in, and that'd be pretty cool in this truck too.